most advanced scientific facilities and comfortable living accommodations, but its kitchen, with its reliance on modern frozen foods and microwave and quartz cooking units, is in the forefront of a new era in food preparation. Microwave cooking units.
I got rice cooking in the microwave. Got a 3-day rice in the microwave. And it's a goofy thing, but I just gotta say, hey, I got rice. Yeah, I think I'll make me some homemade soup. Feeling pretty good, and that's the truth. It's neither drink nor drug induced. No, I'm just soup. And it's a great day to microwave. I know the soup is still shining when I close my eyes. There's some rice cooking in the microwave, but why can't every day be just this rice? Oh, yeah. It's been 15 years since I left soup. Said good luck to every soup that's microwave. Gave it my best and then I left it alone. I hope they're doing all right. Now I look in the mirror and what do I see? A microwave staring back at me. Long in the tooth, but harmless as can be. Lord, I guess he's doing all right. And it's a great day to be. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some rice cooking in the microwave, but why can't every day be just this good? Sometimes it's lonely, sometimes it's lonely. Me and the beats that fill this room. Sometimes I'm cooking, desperately cooking, howling at the moon.